What is up, guys? TK here with TK's Garage. This is a little update video for you guys. Lots of things going on the channel, and I know the content has been stagnant and y'all want more. Let's go wide angle. Alright, now we got a little bit more content. I did see y'all's feedback. You guys are saying that we needed to go a little bit more wide angle. So hopefully this wide angle is a little bit better for y'all when I'm on Copart property and I'm looking at different vehicles. Now this is the 2020 Toyota Corolla. I have a dedicated video for you guys on how much this was, what the car was purchased for at auction, how cheap it was to actually fix, and what the plans are for this car. Now, if you're looking at it, it looks fairly new. It was slightly damaged in the front, but it also had some flood damage, and you can see some of that if you look at the carpet down there. You'll see. Now, I did get the car detailed. Shut up. But it still smells slightly like ass. Notice the Febreze joints that are in here now. It is my daily grocery getter, I guess, if you want to call it at this point. But I have a big reveal for you guys tomorrow. And if you're watching this now and you happen to be like on the behind the scene things, and we may drop this on Facebook first, facebook.com/TK's Garage, if you didn't know. We are picking up an Audi. So it's two Audis. There's an Audi S4 and there's an Audi A4 S-Line. One of them is a Quattro and one of them is a CVT front-wheel drive, which I already know. I already know what the comments are going to be about the CVT front-wheel drive. That's not a real sports car, blah, blah, blah. Look, man, the CVT transmission probably really sucked balls when it first came out, and I will concede that. But now, though, nah, fam, that thing is pretty much bulletproof. It's not going to win any awards on the track, but as far as a nice, reliable, everyday driving car that gets good gas mileage, it's a beast. So, anywho's, so we're driving the Corolla. This is the first day that I've been able to get it out since, you know, having the sprayed bumper and sensors put back on the front, so that it looks like it's never been wrecked. And maybe if we get us, I'll pull over and stop and give you guys a quick walk around of the vehicle. You can see how good it looks. And then I know you're gonna say, but we want to see the fixing parts of the video. I have a separate video for that. I have to edit it. I've been slam busy, guys. It's been a mess. It took, you know, and this thing, in case you didn't know, yeah, look, let me show you all this. This thing right here also has the lane assistance and distance assistance, you know, like the cruise control or whatever. But what I really like about this is, like, and I don't condone you writing an email on the highway, but if you're going down the road and you get distracted or something and you let go of the wheel, I know, I'm hands-free and there was a car coming the other way, and it will yell at you. It'll tell you to hold the wheel after a certain amount of time. But it's kind of cool that it will literally stop itself and it will literally keep itself. This reminds me, for you guys that have been following me for a long time, you guys remember my Audi S8 and my Audi A8L, and I got to get some of that development software when they flashed it to my A8L. But this was before all the autonomous stuff started going left and people got run over and all that stuff, where Audi was testing it, and I got to run that after CES. That was actually super cool. Anyways, this car is actually pretty good. My gas mileage and everything on this thing is pretty good. I think I can actually show you all that. You know, you can see what it's getting as far as miles per gallon. It cost about 26 bucks to fill this thing up. It's a great little grocery getter. That's basically what it is. And for what I paid for it, and I know you're going, what did you pay? What did you pay? We want to know. It's a separate video, man. You're going to see the auction. I got to edit it all together. I know y'all going to ride my ass about this. I know it. I know, man. I know. You don't have to roast me. It's going to happen. Oh, look, cows. Moo. Anyways, there are some exciting things coming for you guys here on the channel, like the Audi S4, the Audi A4. Those are going to be great videos. I can't wait to track that S4. I just can't wait. There are some BMW things coming here in the very near future. Another X5. But it's not one that you've ever seen me. You guys have seen me with the older one. Was it the E53 and the E71? I believe is what they are. But this is a newer body style. It's not the newest. It's the generation before the current one that's out now. I know BMW fans are gonna be like, you used to be Beamer man, you don't know what the model. No, man, I wasn't really an X fan until I got my 2 X5s that I had. But anyways, hopefully the camera work is a little bit better. All of this video was shot on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. If you didn't know, the iPhone's over there, relegated to sit over there status, because the iPhones were shot that last one at Copart. So between that and the GoPros. But anyways, hopefully the video is super stable for you. I wanted to give you guys an update video on what was going on. And you know what? I think there's a Sheetz. Is there a Sheetz right here? I think there's a place right here where I'm going to be turning that I can just pull over and give you guys a look at the car. Yo, that 0 to 60 time though. I'm just playing. This thing does move though. For a little 4-cylinder, for a little 4-banger, boom, boom. This thing is deuces. You know, it's not a rally car or nothing, but it's pretty quick. You look how close I'm closing on it. Yeah, I know. No turn signal. Yo, it does fight with you though. The car will fight with you if you're trying to switch lanes and you got no turn signal, the lane correction thing. Nah. I just want to get up here so I can pull over and give you guys a quick walk around of the car. Oh, brakes. You see how good them brakes were? All right, here we go. I got a good spot here that I can just pull over real quick. And whatever the hell this substation this is, and give y'all a quick walk around of the whip. Ugh. Yo, and the parking brake I don't know if that's supposed to do that, but like as soon as I put it in the park, the damn parking brake automatically enables. Kind of drives me a little nuts hearing that sound. Anyways, so this will give you a little idea of what it looks like from the front now, okay? Now, all of the lines, now I know some people are going to say your body work sucks, because some of the lines on some of the plastics, you can see like this right here, because this was replaced, looks like crap, right? It doesn't line up perfectly. And you'll also see the little gap I get in the headlights here. But for the most part, this is what it looks like from the front now. Now, I know people are going to be like, yo, that plastic's not even finished, bro. Look, man, the part was cheap. It makes the car look finished. It looks good, okay? Look at it. You can't even tell that it's been wrecked, to be honest, or flooded for that matter, all right? Oh, man. Did they scuff it? Damn it. All right. But they were fixing the underskirts and stuff when they were putting this thing all back together. But anyways, so this car started its life at Enterprise Rent-A-Car. And some genius, either, I don't know if they crashed it into a pond or what. Let me see if I can give you guys the water damage view. You know, you can see the stains in this. You can see like some of the stuff that we just can't get out. And I don't know what the hell that was, but needless to say, it was disgusting, okay? And you'll notice, you'll be like, yo, that looks newer. How come? Because these side skirts, these were also damaged on both sides, as well as the front. So I don't know what the person that had this car ran over. No suspension damage though. Still the original tires, didn't have to do any of that, just replaced a few things, and I do see I have a couple of gaps that I gotta fix and line up. But for the most part, she looks really good, okay? So now you see what it looks like now. This is kind of like a behind the scenes. You're getting to see this early. I didn't want to do this, but I had to put out some content. You're getting to see this car early. Wait till you see what this thing looked like before the front fascia got replaced. Wait till you see this and how we were driving this. If you watch it on Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram at TK's Garage, then you already know how this damn thing looked. But yeah, she's all done for the most part. No damage up here on the top either. It said it had hail damage too. I don't see, there was no dings, no nothing anywhere. She was clean, no issues. You know what I'm saying? None, no issues at all. So anyways, there you have it. Quick walk around. You get an idea of what she looks like. It's a great, basic, everyday driving car that gets great gas mileage. And the video, which will be like the official, I mean, this is kind of an unveiling, but the official unveiling video for this car is coming soon, where you get to see the work. And to be honest, it took a day. It literally took a day. The bumper or whatever, which we ended up, the front fascia piece that we ended up getting, we actually got at Hendrick Toyota in Fayetteville. So big shout out to them. And it was already painted. It was literally just plug and play and put it all together. And, you know, and we had a little issues with the radar thing in the front. There's like a couple of little modules or whatever here in the thing that the guy we had helping with the body work did, that were a pain in the ass, but we got it worked out, and that's it. So anyways, there you have it. I got things to do today, but I wanted to give you guys a very, oh wow, somebody getting it in. I wanted to give you guys a little update video on what's going on. The profit and loss video on the Chevy Equinox, that thing has been sold for a couple weeks now. I owe you guys that video, and I am committing to getting that video out to you guys in the next few days. Spoiler, we made a grip on that car. Oh, this is the only thing I hate about the Corolla. I don't like wearing a seatbelt, but this thing makes me wear a seatbelt. Feel my pain here in just a second. I know someone's gonna say, you just ran that stop sign. Quit snitching. All right. Yo, the 0 to 60 in this is not bad. So, full disclosure, as far, yeah, that. Now watch. This, yo, if somebody knows these Toyotas, if there's a software or something I can do to decode that, yo, hit me up in the DMs on Twitter at TK's Garage, or hit me up on Instagram at TK's Garage. I gotta put this on for y'all. Yeah, outside of me losing my lane. All right. Outside of me losing my lane, this thing drives me batshit crazy with those sounds. Because it will literally just go on and on. It never stops. It never stops dinging. It just drives me nuts. Anyways, audio. You guys want to hear what the radio sounds like? Every hour, every day. Let me give it a second here. Oh, Lizzo. We'll give it a minute till the beat drops. But, because you know how the copyright system be working. But, audio system in here doesn't sound bad. This kind of, the Intune thing from Toyota, if y'all know I had that red Prius back in the day and the white Prius. I don't know, I think like Intune got worse. Like I said, the radio is not bad. No satellite radio in this one. It is Bluetooth, so I can Bluetooth whatever, you know, my iTunes or, you know, Apple Music or whatever straight to it. iHeartRadio, all that stuff's in there. So anyways, there you have it. No Tiptronic. I don't even know what this other thing, it goes into B. I'm guessing, I don't know what that is. You know, maybe it's braking mode if you're going downhill or something. No Tiptronic, no manually shifting the gears, boo, I know. But it's kind of the technology in this is actually not bad. The lane departure and everything else that it has. Overall, great car. Anyways, if you watched all the way through all my rambling and just talking shit, big thumbs up to you. Smash that thumbs up button. If you like what I do and you want to see me post more content consistently, all you got to do is smash the thumbs up button and share this video. Share it on Facebook. Ooh, I hear you, son. Ooh, man, did you hear that? That Nissan, boy. Oh man, I still hear it. Anyways, I can't wait to show you guys the new Audis. I can't wait to get the next video you guys are probably going to see is from the Audis, and I promise I will get you guys the profit and loss video on that 2018 Chevy Equinox. It is coming soon. And if you want to see more Copart walkarounds and Copart videos, let me know by just smashing that thumbs up button and hit me in the comments below on what you want to see on the channel. This is going to be my new daily driver and test project, though. We're probably going to do some what happens if we dump a bunch of mystery oil in the gas tank videos. We're probably going to do all kinds of crazy stuff with this car because it was so cheap. I know y'all want to know how much. I know y'all want to know how much, but I can't say it. I can't spoil it because I got a big video that I did, fully edited, nice, professional, all that, like with the camera and everything else. We got to get that out. Anyways, thank y'all very much for tuning in. My name is TK. Thank you very much for watching TK's Garage. The website is up, tksgarage.com. That's tksgarage.com altogether. I know there hasn't been anything really posted on there in over a year, but we're going to get back to posting some different blog posts, articles, things that are coming out with new cars, my builds, breakdowns, some how-tos and stuff like that are going to go up on the website. as well as the Facebook page, facebook.com/TK's Garage. Anyways, thank y'all very much for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.